Turning $1,000 into $100,000 might sound a bit impossible, but with the right AI-driven investment strategy, it's more achievable than you think. Today, I'm breaking down the exact blueprint to grow your money 100x, using tools that analyze markets faster and smarter than any human can. Let's dive in. The stock market is no longer about gut feelings. It's about data. AI tools like ChatGPT, Perplexity, and Finviz allow us to analyze trends, spot undervalued assets, and make strategic moves with precision. What used to take weeks of research can now be done in minutes. This means you can start small, like for instance with a $100 or $1,000, and scale it into something much bigger with the right strategy. Start by building a strong foundation. Allocate 60% of your investment into diversified ETFs like VO, the S&P 500, or QQQ, the NASDAQ 100. These give you exposure to the biggest companies in the world and reduces the risk while compounding over time. The remaining 40%, that's where AI comes in. Use AI tools to identify individual stocks with massive potential upside. For example, NVIDIA, the backbone of AI hardware; Palantir, PLTR, a leader in AI-driven enterprise solutions; Taiwan Semiconductor, TSM, the chipmaker powering the AI revolution. AI tools like TradingView can help you set alerts for when these stocks hit key buy zones. Use ChatGPT to summarize earnings reports and look for growth signals like rising revenue or new contracts. The key is to turn your first $100 or $1,000 into $100,000 and keep reinvesting your profits. As your portfolio grows, allocate more into ETFs for stability and keep a portion for higher risk, high reward plays. Over time, compound growth will do the heavy lifting while AI ensures you're making data-driven decisions. Here's your AI investment stack. Perplexity, AI, for real-time market research. ChatGPT, to summarize earnings reports and analyze trends. TradingView, for technical analysis and alerts. Finviz, to screen for undervalued stocks. These tools give you an edge, even if you're just starting with a minimal investment. The AI-driven investment strategy isn't a quick fix. It's a system that compounds results over time. Start small, stay consistent, and let AI do the heavy lifting. If you want my exact prompts for stock research, comment AI strategy below. Don't forget to subscribe for more wealth-building content.